Now time to exchange vows. Do you, Ben, take Elise to be your wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do you part, according to God's holy ordinance, and thereto do you pledge your faith?
I do.
Do you, Elise, take Ben to be your wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do you part, according to God's holy ordinance, and thereto do you pledge your faith?
I do.
By the authority given to me by our Lord Jesus Christ, and in accordance with the laws of the state of Virginia and our great nation, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ben, you may kiss your bride.
Our wish for both of you is that your marriage is and always remain a glimpse of God.
I'd just like to congratulate Elise and Daddy on this wonderful day, and I love you both very much.
I am honored to welcome, for the very first time as husband and wife, Elise and Ben Scalise.
As your lives intertwined more and more, I began to see that you were here to stay. Elise and Ben, while you have already built a life together, you are still entering a new chapter. A new chapter where you promise to show up every day for each other. A new chapter that won't always be easy, but will continue to push both of you to be your best for each other. A new chapter where the committed love you share for each other is reflected to the world. I love you both, and I truly wish you a lifetime of happiness.
Way back, several years ago, I knew she was the right girl for him. I think before he did. And again, I feel blessed, as I have been all my life, that God answered my prayer for Ben to meet Elise. She's loving, caring, she nurtures the kids, she nurtures Ben, and I couldn't ask for a better, now official daughter-in-law.